Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread dish, full guide. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and gather flour, yeast, salt, water, and a mixing bowl. Combine 4 cups of flour with 2 tsp yeast and 1 tsp salt, then add 1.5 cups warm water and mix into a rough dough. Knead for about 8 minutes. Let rise covered until doubled, shape, and bake until golden brown. Start by mixing flour, yeast, salt, and warm water into a shaggy dough, then begin kneading on a lightly floured surface. Push and fold the dough rhythmically for about 8 minutes until it becomes smooth and springs back when poked. If the dough feels sticky, add small pinches of flour, but avoid making it stiff. Place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until doubled. After the first rise, gently deflate the dough and shape it into a round or oblong loaf, being careful not to press out all the air. Place the shaped dough on a parchment-lined tray or in a loaf pan, then allow a second proof until it becomes slightly puffy. Slash the top for controlled expansion, then bake in your preheated oven until the crust is evenly golden and the inside registers about 190 degrees F for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.